doing? Hopefully you're doing okay. So anyway, I just wanted to bring you a new project on the Cronos mainnet, and this is called Cronos Node Project. I know they already have on Crow, they have a Crow Node project. It's not the same as this Cronos Node project. This is a new one that's coming out. It says we're super excited to share this project with you guys. Oops. Oh, okay. We are doing a ton of development and getting everything prepared for our pre-sale. Whitelist opportunities will be happening soon. So this is going to be on the Cronos chain, and you can come here to their Twitter and look at all the news here. And you can get the link to their website and see they have 4,457 followers. And this is, I don't think this is ready yet. Let's click on see these are not ready yet, but you can go to frequently asked questions, and they said they're going to get audited. Contract will be 100% be audited by multiple reputable contract auditing companies, and they also say they're going to get KYC'd. Yes, we'll be doing multiple KYC procedures. The thing about their reward for the node setup, I believe you're going to have 20 of their token. One thing I wanted to go over was the rewards. They said they're going to be active rewards. I don't see that here, but maybe in the documentation. Let's see here. See, remain actively indefinitely. Let's see here if they have that about this, the rewards. It's basically saying that they're not going to be static, so they'll kind of be like adjustable, I'm understanding, depending on, the sustainability of things. So that's what is a little bit different about the rewards. They'll adjust them accordingly. Yeah, so right now they have all their whitelist things going on. If you join, let me see about their social media. So that's their Twitter. Let's see if this pulls up here. Yeah, and you can join their Discord, and it looks like Instagram, which is not always the case, but that's cool. It says reduced fees, simple and easy, less risk, more reward. It says you're going to be able to buy the thing on Finance. I saw it somewhere here. And then it talks about the breakdown of where the tokens go. 10% to liquidity pool, 50% Cron, and 50% Crow. Rewards are distributed every 24 hours. You can claim your rewards in Cron tokens from the dApp. So there's currently a 10% claim tax when claiming rewards. The breakdown for the tax is as follows. 8% is sent back to the distribution pool for further rewards, which benefits the entire project. The remaining 2% is sent to the liquidity pool. So yeah, this has not launched yet, so I just wanted to bring it to you. And if you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.